A local judge has been reassigned after he allegedly made racially charged remarks during a private conference. KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan broke that story earlier today.
Andy is here now to explain just what happened and what it means for that judge's future. Andy.
Well, Kim, President Judge Kim Clark has taken the unprecedented step of reassigning Judge Mark Tranquilli. This after Tranquilli reportedly made racially insensitive remarks in a closed-door conference 2 weeks ago. As a career prosecutor and now a common pleas judge, Mark Tranquilli earned a reputation for being tough on crime and defendants. But now he finds himself accused of misconduct. A fellow judge reassigned Tranquilli after accusations he made racially charged remarks in a closed-door conference. President Judge Kim Berkeley Clark issued this order temporarily reassigning Tranquilli to summary appeals, where he will be consigned to reviewing magistrate cases ranging from traffic fines to truancy. Clark would not comment, but no one at the courthouse today could remember a president judge taking such a drastic step against another sitting judge. According to sources, Tranquilli made racially charged remarks during a closed-door conference with a prosecutor and a defense attorney. The case involved a drug trial, and sources tell me the remarks were made 2 weeks ago. They claim Tranquilli made a racist characterization of a black female juror and alluded to her drug-addicted boyfriend. Sources say it was reported to Judge Clark Tranquilli inappropriately referred to the juror under a racial stereotype and mused about the unwed father of her child. Reached by phone, Joe Oddie, the defense attorney in the room, would not comment or confirm this. Also in that conference was Assistant District Attorney Ted Dukowski. If these racist remarks were made, Dukowski would have heard them. But today, the District Attorney's office had no comment. In his years as supervisor of the District Attorney's Homicide Section, Tranquilli took on all the big cases. Among them, Richard Poplawski, accused of killing 3 Pittsburgh police officers, and Ronald Robertson, convicted of shooting Penn Hills officer Michael Crawshaw. Voters elected Tranquilli to the Common Pleas Court in 2013. Now, a clerk in Judge Tranquilli's chambers told me the judge will have no comment, but Judge Clark has sent her order to all the justices in the state Supreme Court, and it will be referred to the court's Judicial Conduct Review Board, which investigates complaints made against judges, in which case Tranquilli will likely have a hearing in front of that board. Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.